Hello and welcome back. This is part 7 in the writing and assignment series. And this is the last part. And in this part, we are going to talk about the last step in the process of writing an assignment, that is, writing it up. Before we go into this step, let's just have a short recap. So, what is that we have done so far? First, we identified the sources that took us a little bit closer to a topic. Then we focused a little bit more because we identified the relevant parts in the sources. Then we created initial categories. Remember, we cut out the relevant parts and sorted them into different piles, different categories. Then we did the detailed reading and took notes. And then we spent time on organizing the different organizing our notes and exploring the relationships between the different sources and the different ideas. So by this time you should be an expert of the topic, so you should have no problem actually starting writing up. I would recommend starting with writing up the body and writing the conclusion and the introduction after you have finished the body of your assignment. You can begin writing anywhere because, again, you are an expert of the topic. So whatever section you find easier to start with, you can do that. Remember, you will have 11 days to write up your 3,000 word assignment, which means that if you write 300 words a day, you will still have 1 day left in the end. And writing 300 words a day, which is, less than a page, less than an A4 page, is not very difficult, especially if you have done the work before. If you have done the reading, the note taking, and the organizing the different ideas, you will be able to do it in no time. Another important thing that I would like to note here is organizing your references and in-text citations. I have had several students throughout my career coming to me saying that, oh, I wanted to write the assignment first, and then I wanted to insert my in-text citations and write up my final references. Well, those students very rarely succeed. It is a difficult thing to do. So my recommendation would be that you should do this simultaneously. If you use an idea that is not yours, then insert your in-text citations right there and write up your final references. Or meeting halfway through, another suggestion could be that you write a paragraph, or maybe you write 2 paragraphs. If there is something that is not your idea, if there is something that you took from a source, an idea that you took from a source, just highlight it. Of course, you will have to have a color code. Once you finish writing your paragraph or 2 paragraphs, then you can go back and insert the in-text citations wherever they need to be inserted and write up your final references as well. This is my final reference that I told you about, Dr. Kalash Posa. This is her blog post. So I hope you found these video series helpful. So this is the end of the last part. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.